At the Rustic Brush, we offer the best social crafting experience where you can go alone or you can go with a friend or a date or your family or even your kids and do something with your hands. Put your phone down, get crafty, use paint, and build memories. You can pick out a project online, come in and create it, and it look just as good or better than what you can get in the stores, and you can customize it to fit your taste, your family, put your name on it. We also are BYOB, and I think that's really fun. You know, if you'd like to come in and have a glass of wine with your girls and make a project, you know, that's what we do. We have dads come in and make projects for their daughters, mommy and me dates where you can build a project, you know, with your kid. The possibilities are truly endless. Our very knowledgeable instructors will lead you through the whole experience. In this day and age and in this world, you know, everybody's on their phones so much and they're on social media. And I just feel like it's nice to be able to take a break and actually do something with your hands and be able to do it together and both still have a really good time. And then walk away with something that you're really proud of.